Alright, so here is the best review of Osmo Dashcam Pro Dashboard Review. So make sure you watch this review till the end to exactly know about this product. So we're gonna go through few of its reviews and the buying procedure and real life reviews on how people see it. So first up, can Osmo Dashcam Pro really catch every hidden danger on the road? So there are some online reviews, like I drive for Uber and this dashcam is a must, so clear even at night. So some people are saying it, giving it even 5 stars, but let's just go what it says with it. Do you ever feel heart pound when you see flashing lights in your review mirror? So it has some of its own ways. There is a simple way to stop doubting and keep your money safe. The new Osmo Dashcam Pro stands guard. It helps you feel confident every time you turn the key. So here, as you can see, it's showing a visible difference like the regular dash cams, and it's with night vision. So it looks pretty confirming, like if you look at it by this picture. And right away here it's showing the introduction of the dash cam. So it has AI powered motion detection, high sensitivity night vision sensors, and over 2,000 drivers, so it's pretty good. And then you got like crystal clear proof day or night. It's like full 110 80p recording with no more blind spots. Park with confidence, locks in every crucial evidence with a built-in G sponsor, and seamless continuous recording loop, easy hassle-free setup, instant access to your footage, Wi-Fi connectivity, weather resistant and built to last, voice controlled for hands-free use. Damn, that's pretty useful. And yeah, I mean, you can see all of its pros and cons here as well. But if you want to get Osmo, so you can just go to osmo.no, and right over here you'll be able to find Osmo Dashcam Pro right over here. And let's just check out its own official website's review. And here, as you can see, it says, it claims on the original website that it's crystal 4K, 170 wide angle, and let's see if it got reviews. You can't see any reviews, but it's claiming that it's good, and we've already read the website. You can also get the product from Amazon, and yeah, it depends on you what kind of product you want, but yeah. But then if you want an actual review, and if you want to go ahead and get it, so there's someone, Osmo Action Pro, and they've been using it for like 2 months, and they got a whole lot of detailed look into it, so you can read all of it and confirm it. But as far as I know, and I've read all the reviews, I would say it's a good purchase for your car, as it got night vision, 24/7 recording loop, and then crystal clear 4K, so it's pretty good. I would say just go for it and get the product. So yeah, this is it. I hope this review helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.